What's up, RCNUTS? It's good to see y'all back. Today we are out at the Desert Trails bike track. Now obviously set up for bikes. We're going to get in wherever we can because there are a couple awesome tabletops. There are a couple jumps that are great for the RC cars, but we got to stay out of the way of the bikes. So once it's 1,000,000 degrees outside, most of the bikers tend to leave because we are in Mesa, Arizona. We did bring the ramp. We've got an XMAXX, a Max, a bunch of Slashes. We've got the Rampage. We've got a Rustler. Some guy with the Arrma Big Rock showed up. It's going to be a blast. I'm sure we're going to break a lot of cars today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one. What happened? The gear's sliding off.
See, they're all flat.
Oh yeah, all eaten out.
Shaped the gear on it.
Gear's all eaten out, dude.
Plastic gears, too big of a motor.
What? What happened?
Broke another diff in this one.
Another diff. Diff down. Holy shit.
Oh,
Here you go. Woo! So what was that you had right there? Arrma Big Rock? 6S? Damn. You gonna go jump it? Alright.
Anything, they quit making them.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
It reminds me of Traxxas stuff.
Yeah,
but it's like a space frame. Look at the suspension's almost set up like a what, Evo?
They got actually Traxxas sued them. That's when they quit making these.
Yeah, like 2017. Do what you just did. What happened?
No. No. That was so little side dip and a wheelie at the
And I was like, what? I'm like, we break the brakes, dude.
Yeah?
This is kind of what it's made for, I hope.
Yeah.
I hope it ain't meant to just, you know,
Driving around.
fly. My bad.
You should have ran it over.
No, no, no.